Welcome to ProBeta's quick video tutorials. In this video, we'll be learning more about document 1051, types and volumes of transactions. The objective of this document is to give you an overall understanding of the types and volumes of transactions that took place during the year for every line item in the financial statements. Please note that the process outlined in this video is the same for both large and small entities. Document 1051, Types and Volumes of Transactions, can be found under the Pre-Engagement Planning folder in your Caseware document library. The 1051 document is divided into 6 tabs for each group of transactions or balances. The tabs are Non-Current Assets, Current Assets, Equity and Non-Current Liabilities, Current Liabilities, Income and Expenditure, and Other. Each tab is then further divided into 4 sections. Lead schedules pertaining to the specific line item, including current and prior year figures. Transactions and balances, for example, additions to property, plant, and equipment. Special audit considerations, for example, use of management's expert. And systems. The first section, Lead Schedules, displays lead schedules pertaining to each specific line item. Note that there is no input required from you here. The second section deals with transactions and balances. In the first column, you need to provide a description of the transactions or balances in question and enable the different types of transactions in the section. The selections made in this column will tailor the 2010 to 8010 work programs for the specific line item. For example, by selecting additions, the procedures to verify additions will appear on the work programs. In the second column, insert a short description of the types of transactions that occurred during the year. By describing the different types of transactions, you're able to provide insight into the account balances and substantiate your answer to reviewers and future inquiries. In the Estimated Value of Transactions column, you have to insert an estimated amount. By estimating the different values of transactions, you're able to provide insight into the account balance. Finally, in the Risk column, raise a risk relating to the transaction or balance here, if necessary. When raising a risk, you're prompted to perform work on the risk in other documents. In the section titled Special Audit Considerations, you need to identify possible special considerations. The selections made in this column will tailor the 2010 to 8010 work programs for the specific line item. For example, by selecting use of a management's expert, the procedures to verify the work performed by the management's expert will appear on the work programs. In the Description column, insert a short description of the types of transactions that occurred with regard to those special audit considerations during the year. By describing the different types of transactions requiring special considerations, you're able to provide insight into the account balances and substantiate your answer to reviewers and future inquiries. In the Estimated Value of Transactions column, you need to insert an estimated amount. An estimate of the amount involved provides other engagement team members with an appreciation of the magnitude of the numbers involved. Finally, in the Risk column, you can raise a risk relating to the transaction or balance if necessary. As in the Transactions and Balances section, when raising a risk, you're prompted to perform work on the risk in other documents. The final section of each tab is the Systems section. Here you have to decide whether the controls in this section are relevant to the audit and the financial statements by selecting Yes or No from the drop-down box. Your answer here will affect document 1150, Control Activities Design and Implementation, and turn the test of control procedures on or off. Additional rows can be inserted after any procedure in the document. Simply right-click on the question and then click on Insert Row. The row will be inserted after the row you right-clicked on. If the Insert Row selection is disabled, it means that you are on a lower case view user level than set by the engagement partner in the probe firm settings. To delete a row, right-click on a row you have inserted and click on Delete Row. You can only delete rows that you or another user have inserted and will not be able to delete any pre-programmed ProbeMMX content. The Delete Row option will hide if there is any text in the row that you are trying to delete. The cell must be cleared before its row can be deleted. If the Delete Row item is disabled, it means that you are on a lower CaseView user level than set by the engagement partner in the probe firm settings. Sections without balances in the trial balance can be enabled and disabled. To enable a section, right-click on the section and select Enable the section. To disable a section, right-click on the section and select Disable the section. You can also expand or collapse a section by right-clicking on any section heading and then selecting Expand All or Collapse All. Another feature is the insertion or removal of page breaks. To do this, simply right-click on the section heading and then select Insert Page Break or Remove Page Break, depending on your requirements. One of our amazing premium features offered to our premium users is Caseware Risk Space. Caseware Risk Space is an online community that provides content to help you document risks, controls, and management letter points. Premium users can import risks, controls, and management letter points from Caseware Risk Space into their template by clicking on the Caseware Risk Space icon. This will not only save you time typing, but will also ensure that the correct spelling and grammar are used, which will result in great report writing. Our premium users will also have access to footnotes. In terms of footnotes, a table has been inserted at the bottom of the document with footnotes titled Instructions. These are specific considerations that need to be taken into account as per the relevant international standards on auditing, as well as the applicable international accounting standards. Instructions will also include appropriate laws and regulations. For easy reference, the relevant paragraphs have been quoted. This document also contains features from our add-on products that we offer. These products are the recognition and measurement add-ons for IFRS and IFRS for SMEs. The recognition and measurement components include more specific procedures in this document to assist you in ensuring compliance with the relevant financial reporting framework. The optional Probe MMX IFRS and IFRS for SMEs add-on modules were designed to assist you, the auditor, in ensuring that the recognition and measurement of each line item on the financial statements are recognized and measured in accordance with IFRS or IFRS for SMEs. These add-ons also cater for the ever-changing environment of these accounting frameworks by incorporating early adoption of changes in standards and reacting to future development requirements due to further changes within these standards. Once you have obtained complete and accurate information about the transactions that have taken place during the year, you need to sign off the document. For more information, you can visit our website at www.probemmx.com, email us at probesupport@probeta.co.za, or call us on 010-595-QMMX today. Thank you for watching.